Welcome to Andaaz Fashion. Let us help you take precise measurement for custom tailoring your garment. This video will help you record measurement by measuring a well-fitted garment you already own. Before we get started, you're going to require a soft tape measure like this one. And if you do not have one, don't worry, we got you. All you have to do is click on the link in the description box and it's going to take you to a page from where you can print out your own measuring tape. And all you have to do is stick it or staple it together. And this is the measuring tape you're going to have ready. Now that we're all set, let's get to measuring.
Shoulder measurement. With your garment laying flat, start by placing your measuring tape on the start of one shoulder, running the tape horizontally to the end of the other shoulder. That is your shoulder measurement.
Sleeve length. Start by laying your garment flat on a surface and place the measuring tape on the end of the shoulder. Move along the edge of the sleeve till the end. That is your sleeve length.
With your garment flat on a surface, place the measuring tape on the top part of your shoulder. Trace the line of stitching with your measuring tape all the way down and around, meeting the starting point. This is your armhole measurement. Arm measurement. Lay your garment flat on a surface. Now 2 to 3 inches below the shoulder, start by measuring from the top vertically downward. That is your arm measurement.
Blouse length with pads. Lay your garment flat on a surface. Place the measuring tape on the highest point of the shoulder, moving it vertically downwards till the end of the blouse. That is your blouse length. Blouse length without pads. Lay your garment flat on a surface. Start by placing your measuring tape at the highest point of the shoulder, moving it vertically downwards till the middle point of the bust. Now pinch and pull the fabric upwards to give elevation and continue measuring downwards till the end of the blouse. That is your blouse length.
Bust measurement. Start by laying your garment flat on a surface. Place the measuring tape on one end of the garment and move horizontally till the center of the bust. Pinch and pull the fabric upwards for fullness. Move along and repeat the same on the other bust and continue all the way around the back till you meet the starting point. That is your bust measurement.
Under bust. Find the area right under the bust and start by placing the measuring tape on one end, moving horizontally to the other end. This measurement doubled is your under bust.
Around belly button measurement. Lay your garment flat on a surface. Find the area where your belly button would be placed when wearing the garment. It is generally about 16 to 19 inches down from the highest point of the shoulder, depending on your height. Now at that point, place your measuring tape on one end and drag it horizontally to the other. This measurement doubled is your around belly button measurement.
Wrist measurement. Lay the sleeve of your garment flat on a surface. Measure the open end from one side to another. That is the measurement of your wrist.
Top length. Lay your garment flat on a surface and smooth out any crease. Place the measuring tape on the highest point of the shoulder, moving vertically downwards till the end of the top. That is your top length. Lehenga length. Lay your garment flat and make sure to smooth out any crease. Start by placing your measuring tape on the waist, moving vertically downward till the end of the lehenga. That is your full length. Bottom length. Lay your garment flat and make sure to smooth out any crease. Start by placing your measuring tape on the waist, moving vertically downward till the end of your garment. That is your full length.
Round waistline for a pant. Lay your garment flat on a surface, make sure there are no creases, and start by placing the measuring tape on one end of the waist. Drag it across till the other end. This measurement doubled is your waistline measurement.
Lehenga waist measurement. With your garment flat on a surface, smooth out any creases and start by placing your measuring tape on one end of the waist, running it horizontally along the waistline till the other end. This measurement doubled is your waist measurement. Hip measurement. With your garment flat on a surface, start by placing your measuring tape on the fullest part right below the waist. Drag the tape horizontally from one end to another. That is your hip measurement. Hip measurement. With your garment flat on a surface, start by placing your measuring tape on the fullest part right below the waist. Drag the tape horizontally from one end to another. That is your hip measurement.